Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. In this video, we are going to convert binary to decimal, and we have been given with the binary number 10001. So let us take steps to convert binary into decimal. So first of all, I'm going to write step 1. Here we have to write multiply each binary digit by its positional weight. Step 2 says add all the products. Now, let us follow the first step. It says multiply each binary digit by its positional weight. In order to multiply the positional weight to this given binary number, we have to start counting from the right hand side. The positional weight of this bit number 1 is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here, this leftmost bit number 1, whose positional weight is 4. So I have to write bit number 1 into 2 to the power 4. Next bit is 0. Here I'm going to write 0 into 2 to the power 3. Next bit is also 0 into 2 to the power 2. And the next bit is also 0, 2 to the power 1. And the rightmost bit is 1. Here I'm going to write 1 into 2 to the power 0. Now we will follow second step, add all the products. So all of these are products that are to be added. I'm going to write plus sign in between these products. Now let us multiply 1 into 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 can be written as 2 is to be multiplied 4 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Here you can see 16 into 1 is 16. I'm going to write 16 plus 0 into 2 to the power 3 is 0. Anything into 0 will become 0 only. Plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 is also 0. Plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 is also 0. Plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 is 1. Anything raised to 1, anything raised to 0 will become 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Here you can add 17 plus 1. That gives us 17. Therefore, we can write the given binary number 10001 to the base 2 is equal to 17 to the base 10.